Managing Google Ads manually in 2026 is a losing game. These 10 AI tools do the heavy lifting and the most important task in Google Ads management day by day. But most specialists use maybe two of them. This is my weekly account workload before this stack and after. Same client, same results 13 hours back. Every hour you spend on manual busy work is an hour your competitor spends on strategy. And strategy is something what wins accounts now. I run the exact stack across my agency's client accounts every single week and stick around for tool number 7 because there is one mistake that makes every tool on this list actively burn your budget faster. So first we will discuss about the tools that we use for research and planning. So tool number 1 is Claude or ChatGPT. A large language model is now the most important tool in your PPC stack. Not for writing generic ad copy but for analysis. Export your search terms report, paste it in. Ask it to add group queries by intent and flick wasted spend. What took me 2 hours per account now takes only 10 minutes. I will give you the exact prompt in the description so you can follow the same. And here is a pro tip. You should give it the context first, like what is your product, your target customer, your goal. If you put a vague prompt in, you will not get the answer that is tailored to your business. So here is tool number 2, Google Keywords Planner's AI feature. It's free, it's inside your Google Ads account, and its AI generated keyword suggestions now pull from your landing page automatically. Most beginners skip this because it feels them so basic. In fact, it is not. It has Google's own data and no third-party tool has better search volume numbers than this. Tool number 3, Google Ads Transparency Center plus your LLM. Pull up any competitor's live ads for free, screenshot them, drop them into Claude and ask what angles they are running and what gap they are leaving open. And here's a common mistake. Copying competitors instead of countering them, the AI shows you what is crowded. Your job is to say something that is different. And now here is where it gets interesting because building is where AI saves the most of your time. Now we come to the part of building and creatives. So we use tool number 4, AI Max for search. This is Google's native AI layer. It expands your keywords, adapts your headlines, and matches you to queries you would never think to bid on. And with dynamic search ads sunsetting in February 2027, you need to learn this now, not later. And here's a beginner tip. You should turn on the controls first. Brand exclusions, URL exclusions, AI Max without predefined guides is a budget leak. And now we discuss tool number 5, that is AdCreative.ai. Performance Max campaigns are hungry. They demand image assets in every size plus headlines and descriptions in bulk. This tool generates scored creative variants in minutes and pushes them straight into your account. If you run PMax for e-commerce, this alone justifies the subscription. And now here the tool number 6, Canva Magic Studio. For display banners you actually control. Magic Resize turns one design into every standard Google display size in one click. And one mistake you should avoid, don't let AI generate your brand element. Your logo, your color should be prior finalized by your graphic designer. And here is I am interrupting you. If you want to learn winning strategies and to get agency training on how to communicate with your clients, 20 AI skills that save 15 plus hours every week so you can work on more accounts and get paid more. Check out our curriculum for strategist mastery that is designed to get you ready to establish your own Google Ads agency. And now here is a warning that I promised you earlier in this video. If your conversion tracking is broken, every tool in this video makes things worse. AI optimizes toward the data you feed it. Wrong data in and it burns your budget faster than you ever could manually. Fix tracking before you automate anything. Now we talk about the optimization stack. So the tool number 7 is Optio. It is your daily account hygiene assistant. It scans your account overnight and queues up prioritized recommendations. Pause this keyword, fix this budget pacing, test this ad. You approve or reject with one click. It is perfect if you are a freelancer managing your first few accounts. Tool number 8, Optimizer. It has the agency grade version, rule based automation, one click optimization, and multi account management from a single dashboard. It costs more like around $200 a month, but if you are managing 5 or more accounts, it pays for itself in the first week. Tool number 9, Analysis. It does one thing and only ad testing. It tells you which ad variant is actually winning with statistical proof, not just a gut feeling. And here's a pro tip. It is only worth if ad copy is a real lever in your accounts. If you have 8 ad groups, you should skip it. But if you have 50 or more, so I think this tool is worth to try. Now here we talk about the reporting. So tool number 8 is all about the reporting, and that is Looker Studio with Gemini. Client reporting used to eat my Fridays. Now Looker Studio pulls live account data and Gemini drafts the performance summary. What changed, why changed, and what is next. You edit, you send, and you are done. And here's a common mistake: sending the AI draft directly to your clients. The narrative is your value. AI writes the draft first, but you should add the insights only you have, and it should depict your expertise. And now here is a rapid recap. LLMS and free Google tools for research, AI Max, Ad Creatives, and Canva to build. Optimizer and Analysis for optimize. Looker Studio with Gemini to report. 10 tools, 4 stages. You get your 13 hours back every week, and you spend on strategy instead of spreadsheets. And this is the place your value lives in. But pause for a second. Tools only work on top of a solid campaign. If the foundation is wrong, AI just automates the mistakes. That is why I built a free Google Ads winning campaign checklist, every step in order from account setting to launch, so nothing slips through. Download it free. The link is right there in the description. If this helps, subscribe. I post Google Ads tutorial every Monday. Share the video with someone you think is needed the most. And tell me in the comments which of these 10 tools are you already using and which one are you adding this week. Next Monday, I am showing you exactly how I use Claude to audit a Google Ads account in 20 minutes and full prompt included. Don't miss it.